In this video, I'll show you how to delete a story on your TikTok account using the latest version of the app. First, open the TikTok application on your phone. Once the app opens, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner to go to your profile page. On your profile, you will see your active story at the top of your profile picture. Tap on your profile picture to open the story you want to delete. When the story opens, look for the arrow or 3 icon on the screen and tap on it. This will open more options. From the options menu, tap on Delete. TikTok will ask you to confirm the action. Tap Delete again to confirm. Your story will now be removed successfully. If you have multiple stories, you can repeat the same steps to delete each story one by one. That's how you can easily delete a story on TikTok. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more TikTok tips and tutorials.